bringing up the RPMs, looking for black smoke. Getting all those turbochargers spinning. Building boost. Oh yeah, get your cameras ready. You're going to see a blur next to everything working. Final decision for turbochargers. Henry Everman. Good run. I got it.
Okay, we think it's weird. It's like, it's okay, it's okay.
Should have had another weight or two up front, I believe. You know. The mark to beat.
I'm in a minute.
299 feet 9 inches. That's the best I've seen that tractor run in ever. Yeah, pretty much in the last several years.
Well, talking to him beforehand, they said, you know, I said, what's the best feeling about pulling? He says, when you get to the end and you realize it didn't blow up. So that's pretty good. Robert Sadoff Jr. ends up with a pull at 272 and 2. 272 and 2.
Okay, John Deere fans, what do you think? Looking for black smoke. Josh Martin, Big 3.
You know why he shut that down? Maybe this is a rule that we forgot to mention to you first timers. That white line, that short line up there. Watch this run. Watch the wheel speed on the alcohol burning New Holland.
Front end, you could hear the RPMs pick up every time the front end got real tractor's been around
Grandfather, that's the guy.
since the early 70s. Wow.
Yeah, I wonder what if it told here at the Bucks first year, which was in 1974.
Yes.
So that tractor's been running here every single year the Bucks been open, yeah.
Unbelievable.
And has 3 generations of farmers at the wheel. 194 feet 4 inches, 194 and 4.
That's a beautiful tractor.
Oh, there's just no way that 4 naturally aspirated engines
This is the McKenzie family. The grandfather, we have his son, which will be pulling a little later on, and his grandson.